What did I say? It's that time of year and I'm telling y'all right now, somebody got a chokehold on my coins and they squeezing it tight. And right now and today, it's Gucci. Welcome back, my Shopaholics. And if you're new here, I am Buy Me Them All. And if you're like me and can't stay out of those stores, you've come to the right place. I buy and review the things that I love so that you don't have to. And if those things speak to you, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are a growing community and I post weekly, and subscribing ensures that you don't miss a post. Okay, guys, it's Gucci. Okay, so I told you guys, if you guys did not check out my luxury shoes, which luxury shoes I would recommend to you guys, please check that out for these tips that I told you guys. I told you guys that the outlets will be having the shoes that we need, and guess what? They came through. And we knocked some things off of the wish list, okay? We have been checking them off, okay? So, first up, actually, I'm gonna do this one first because this one's the one I got first. So, as some of you know, if you've been my subscriber for a while, the new ones, I do not live next to a store or any luxury designer stores. We have a small little mall, and so I have to mainly order some of my stuff. But I do have an essay at the Gucci outlet in Sawgrass, and she was able, I actually saw a TikTok is a real one, that told me that these shoes were in the outlet, and I immediately text my essay, and she was able to send them to me. So, get all this paper out of the way. We do have a box in here, but I got a shoe that I have been wanting. If you watch my wish list for this year, you would know these shoes were on my wish list, and I am so happy I got them actually for 40% off. So originally they were like $1,500, and I was able to get them for $7.95. I told y'all. I wait. Honestly, I love these shoes and I wanted these shoes. I actually tried them on in Dubai, but again, they were full price, and I was like, I'm waiting. I wait. When it comes to Gucci, Fendi, YSL, wait if it's something that's not like special or something you can wait on. I'll wait though. So I waited, and guys, this is what we got. We got the shoes, guys. We got the shoes. I love these shoes. I just think they're so cute. Let me take the paper out. They're so beautiful. And I just know I'm going to get a lot of use out of these. Like, these are just going to be in every day, like not every day, but I wear heels a lot. Like, if you know me, you know that a heel is me. I am so short, I'm 5'2". I like to claim 5'3", but in real life I'm 5'2", and my husband is 6'4". So a heel is for me. So these will definitely get use. I love them. I think they're so cute. And let me come closer so you guys can get into a little bit of the detail. Okay, so we have the Gucci on the side here. Hope you guys can see it. We have it there. But also, in the little crystal part, I don't know if you guys can see, but in the crystal part, it also has like a Gucci right here, which is really, really cute. And you can adjust the straps right here on the side as well. They're so cute. Honestly, I love them. Let me know. What do you guys think? Do you guys love them? I took a size 38, which I tried them on in Dubai. I tried on a 38 and 39 because they don't come in half sizes. So I tried on a size 38 and 39, and 38 just fit me best. In the outlets, they have black, they have the white, they have burgundy, that maroon burgundy color that Gucci does very well, and they have the lime green. So if you're in the need or look or want for any of those colors, they do have them in the outlet, and they are $7.95, originally $1,500. Great deal. Love them. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do we love them? Okay, moving on to the next one. I'm just gonna sit this like this right quick. So these I actually went in the store and got And while I was home, Thanksgiving or a little bit before then, I was home and I actually went in the store and purchased these. So these on my wish list, I was a little questionable about them. I was like, I don't know if I really love them or do I just love to see people in them. But when I tried them on, I was like, oh no, I love them. And my husband was like, oh, those actually look really good. And it's like really a weird shoe. I'm gonna show it to y'all, okay? But these were the same thing. These were $15.90 originally, and I got them for $7.50. So another steal, $7.50. I waited on it, but I was able to get them. And let me show you. I have worn these already, so I'll insert pictures of how I have styled them so far. I actually wore them twice. I don't think I took pictures in all of them, but yeah. I'm so OD. I be keeping it like it is, okay? But yes, this is the shoe. I have worn these, as you can see, on the bottom, but they're really not bad. Like, you really wouldn't be able to tell if I didn't show you the bottom. But yes, they're so beautiful. They have the buckle where you can adjust the buckle here. And then they have the horse bit right in the front that you're able to see. So they have a few variations of these. They have like different colors of these. Right now in the Gucci outlet, they have this maroon color and they have the olive green color. So those two colors are in the outlet currently for $7.50. I have seen this maroon color with like the GGs embossed in it. This is just the smooth leather one, so it's no GG on it. And I actually really love it because it's just so understated, honestly. Like, I just think they're beautiful. What do you guys think? Were these two good steals? Would you have gotten them? Would you have gotten the black pair? Let me grab it for you guys. Would you have gotten this pair but not have gotten this pair? Would you have gotten both pairs? Tell me what you think in the comments. I'm actually really happy and in love with both of these purchases, and I'm so happy I was able to wait and get them for a steal and knock them off my wish list. Guys, we are shopping, so you should definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm posting weekly, and subscribing ensures that you don't miss a post. I want to share with you what I am buying, my Shopaholics, and I want you to comment and tell me if you love them or not, okay? Let's get into these purchases. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also always post a short, so make sure you check out that short, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, my Shopaholics.